everyone, today I have a pretty big haul from Kokoist to show you. I ordered a little bit of everything, a lot of some things. I've got about 30 of the gel colors, I've got a couple of the Gelip nail tips, I've got a bunch of brushes and a bunch of other cool stuff. So let's get started. I should tell you that Kokoist did not sponsor this video. I paid for everything myself. The reason I placed such a big order was because I bought this Kokoist wide flat brush on Tack Canada quite a while ago, and I loved it. It's so high quality, it's so easy to use. I love it for ombre, and I was so impressed that I went and placed a huge order. So hopefully everything else is as high quality as this brush. Let's take a look. This was a set that was on the website when I placed the order, but it doesn't seem to be there anymore, so it must have been a temporary promotional thing, but all the items that are in this set seem to still be available individually. So here's a selection of the files they have. A couple moon files. This is a diamond file. Emery file, and a sponge buffer. And this is a free gift that came with the set. It didn't tell me what the free gift was going to be. It just said free gift. So they're little silver starfish. They're textured charms. This is a little tool case. It's quite nice, actually. It's quite good quality. You can tell it's going to last a while. And then there's two brushes inside. This one is the round brush. It says for applying clear gel and color gel over large areas. Let's take a look. The bristles feel really nice, really secure, really high quality. And all of these brushes come with their own cap. This one's a little loose. Can you see that? That doesn't fit properly. We'll see if the other ones are like that. So this one's the thin liner brush for extra fine details. This is what it looks like. Tiny. Let's see if this one fits in its cap. No, this one's even worse. Really bad. I don't think I'm doing anything wrong. I think they just don't fit. Like, if I just hold it like that, like it's just very, very loose and very wobbly. Weird. It's like it's made for a completely different brush. Disappointing. What's left in the set is the Platinum Bond Duo, which is a base and builder duo gel. You can use it for both. And then 4 of their best-selling colors. So there's Black is Black, Rouge Red, Peanut Butter Toffee, and Bluey White. I'm going to swatch these and I'll show you. These ones are pretty standard colors, black, red, a sheer, neutral, but this bluey white is pretty unusual. It's a really cool toned white. I think it's going to be perfect for nail art. I did buy another one of their whites, so I'll swatch that in a second and I can compare it. I did buy a few more separate brushes. This one is the small angular brush for painting French tips and one-stroke art on small areas. I think these come in a few sizes. There's a large one, a regular size one, and then this mini one. Let's see if this cap fits. Nope. I guess this is just the way they want them. Just quite loose and Very strange. This one is the thin round brush. It says the soft bristles and the slender shape make a perfect brush for smooth and precise gel application. That's really nice. What's the difference between that one and the round? Let's see. So this is the thin round here, and this is the round. The round brush is slightly longer, very slightly narrower, and slightly more tapered. Let's try this cap. This one's a little tighter, but still pretty wobbly. This is the long liner brush for long striping nail art. This is what it looks like. You can compare it to the thin liner brush that was in the set. Quite a bit longer, more than twice. And the cap. Nope. I probably won't even use these caps. That's just too flimsy for me. I also bought a few styles of the Gelip nail tips. I got the Coffin Long and the Almond Medium in the full set, so the 300 pieces with the 10 sizes. And then I bought a few refill packs of the Oval Long, just in the sizes that I thought I would need. This is the Coffin Long. I have pretty small fingers, so I'm going to start with a 3 for my thumb. That's what it looks like. I'll show you the difference between this Kokoist nail tip and the Aprés and Kiara Sky nail tips that I have, so that you can compare. So this is the Tron Legend Tapered Coffin Extra Long from Aprés. It's this box here, this one. And then this one is the Coffin Long from Kiara Sky. This box here. You can see that the Kokoist tip is quite a bit shorter than the Aprés and the Kiara Sky tips. Even though the Kiara Sky tip is also a Coffin Long, there's quite a big difference. I'll also show you the difference between the different styles that I got from Kokoist. This is the Almond Medium in the same size. So that's what they look like next to each other. The one big difference with this Almond Medium tip is the edge is curved from the side. So this is the Coffin Long here with the straight flat edge, and this is the almond with the curved edge. I'll show you the Oval Long as well. This is the refill pack. This is the same size 3 as the other two, so you can see the difference in the shapes between the Coffin Long, the Almond Medium, and the Oval Long. These two fit my thumb perfectly, size 3. This size 3 does not fit my thumb at all. It's way too small. So I'm gonna try, I also have the size 2 in the refill, so I'm gonna try that one. Here's the size 2 for the Coffin Long. This is still way too small for my thumb. So that's something else to be aware of, that between the different styles, that the continuity between the sizes just might not be there. I'll try a few more sizes and see if they're different for the different shapes as well. This is a size 9. This is my pinky size. So this is the Coffin Long, which is quite big for me. I'd have to do some filing for that. And the Almond Medium also would need some filing. and this is the oval long. It's actually not as big as the other ones. So the oval long just seems to run a bit smaller than the other shapes, at least the ones I have. Let's try a 7. So this coffin long size 7 fits. The almond medium is a little bit small. I could probably do a 6. And the 7 for the oval long is tiny. There is a real difference here between these shapes. So I don't know if it's just the oval long that has a discrepancy in the sizing, but I would not recommend buying these refill packs and guessing at what size you are unless you have already tried on that specific shape in all the sizes and you know exactly what sizes to buy, because there's definitely some issues here with sizing. So I also got a couple of other things. I got this Mega Stick Base Soft Gel, which is supposed to be used for the Gelip nail tips for maximum adhesion to keep them from popping off. I also got 2 top coats. I got the Velvet Matte Non-White top coat and the Ultra Glossy Non-White top coat. I also got this bonding duo in a bottle, so it's exactly the same thing as the bonding duo that came in the set. It's just in a bottle instead. And this one can also be used to apply the Gelip nail tips. It's just this one is supposed to be better adhesion, I guess. I also got 2 of the bleeding inks to try. So I got brown and white. The white one leaked a little bit in shipping, so it's kind of a mess. I won't be able to show that one to you. It's just white ink, but I'll show you the brown. Nice. Wow, that smells so strong. That just hit me so fast. Oof. It's pretty though, and it dries fast. This is their Beetle light. This is the cordless little mini LED and UV light. It must look like a beetle. Yep. This is identical to the Aprés light. I'll show you. This is the Aprés one. They're exactly the same. I also got all 4 of the colors of the Rainbow Mica Flakes. I opened these ones already because I wanted to try them out to see if they're any different from any other Mica Flakes, and they aren't, but they're really pretty colors. This is the golden purple. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm sure it doesn't even show up as beautiful on camera, but it is gorgeous. And this one's the unicorn blue. This one's the golden turquoise. And unicorn green. Not a huge difference between these two. They both have very similar colors, pink, blue, and green. I'm not sure you need both, but these ones are really pretty. Now on to the rest of the color gels. I've already swatched them all so that I can show you exactly what they look like. This is the bluey white from the set from earlier, and this is the maxi white. There is a little bit of a difference, so definitely the bluey white is cooler, and the Maxi White is slightly warmer, but they're both quite bright and vibrant. I think if I was only going to choose one, I'd choose the Bluey White, just because it's just a little bit brighter. This is a jelly bean set that they had on the website. It also came with a free gift. This is gold oval charms. And these are the colors. This is strawberry, papaya, melon, licorice, mint, and watermelon. Here's some pastels. This is cream jasmine tart, caramel pink, cherry blossom, rose quartz candy, caramel olay, cream grape tart, and white heaven beach glass. Here's some more colors. I got tequila orange, bourbon brown, black cherry, bitter chocolate, midnight chocolate, smoked pistachio, and midnight forest. Here's the rest of the color gels. This is angel breath, sugar sherbet, neon toy yellow, party balloon blue, Japanese green, and Japanese charcoal. Well, that's it. That's everything that I bought from Kokoist. Let me know what you saw that you liked and what you're excited about seeing me use first. And let me know if you've used any of these products and what your thoughts are. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like and comment and subscribe, and I will see you soon.